Lily, Max, we are going to Grandma's house. She is sick. We will come back tomorrow morning.
Be careful, okay? Don't open the door for strangers.
Don't worry, Dad. We will be safe. Yes, Mom. We are brave kids.
Good. Your dinner is in the kitchen. Call us if you need anything.
And don't forget to lock the door.
Goodbye, Mom. Goodbye, Dad. Lily, I'm hungry. Let's eat dinner.
Good idea. Mom made our favorite pasta.
Yummy! It smells so good!
Let's eat in the living room and watch TV.
This pasta is delicious. Mom is the best cook. Yes, she is. After dinner, let's play a board game. Great! I love board games.
This house looks perfect. The car is not here. Maybe no one is home. Let me check the back door. Oh no, it's locked. Let me try the window. Yes, this window is open. Lucky me. I will find money and jewelry inside.
Max, did you hear that? Hear what? That sound. It came from the kitchen. Maybe it's just the wind.
No, listen carefully.
Oh no. Someone is in our house.
Shh. Be quiet. Let me think. Max, we need to be smart. Don't panic.
What should we do, Lily?
First, let's hide behind the sofa. Then, I will call the police.
Okay. But I'm scared.
It's okay to be scared. But we are a team. We can do this together. Hello? Police?
There is someone in our house. Our address is 25 Green Street. Please come fast.
Stay calm. Stay hidden. We are coming. Don't try to fight the thief.
Okay. Thank you.
Where do they keep the money? Nothing in the kitchen. Let me check the living room.
Thief walks toward living room.
Oh, the TV is on. Someone is here? Hello? Anyone home?
Maybe they left the TV on. People do that sometimes. Let me search quickly.
Ah, look! A nice laptop. And a tablet, too. I will take these.
Now, let me go upstairs and find jewelry.
He is going upstairs. Good. Now I have an idea. See those marbles on the floor? Yes. Those are my marbles. Let's put them on the stairs. If he steps on them, he will fall.
That's smart. But the police officer said, don't fight.
We are not fighting. We are just making him slow. The police will catch him.
Okay,
Let's do it quickly.
Nothing good here. Just old clothes. Let me go downstairs and leave.
Whoa! What is this?
Ouch! My leg! Who put these here?
This is the police! Open the door!
We are here. The thief is inside.
Step back, kids. We will handle this.
Stop right there! You are under arrest!
Put your hands up. You have the right to remain silent. Are you kids okay?
Yes, we are fine now. Thank you for coming so fast. We were very scared.
You did the right thing. You called us and stayed hidden. That was very smart.
Max helped me. We worked as a team.
Good job, both of you. But remember, next time, just hide and wait for the police. Don't make traps. It can be dangerous.
We understand, officer.
We will call your parents now. They should come home.
Thank you, officer.
Lily. Max. Are you okay?
We came as fast as we could.
We are fine, Mom. The police saved us!
Thank God you are safe. I was so worried.
My brave children.
Your children are very smart. They stayed calm and called us.
Thank you, officers. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Make sure to check all windows and doors before leaving. The thief came through an open window. We will be more careful next time.
Are you kids hungry? I will make hot chocolate.
Yes, please. I love hot chocolate. Mom, I learned something today.
What did you learn, dear?
I learned that staying calm is important. And calling for help is the best thing to do.
That's right. You don't have to be a hero. Just be safe.
And I learned to always lock the windows.
Good lesson, Max.
Family is the best. I'm happy we are all together now.
Us too, sweetheart. Now let's drink hot chocolate and go to sleep.